Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Temu app. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Temu. Here you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.